train your brain with Brain Biceps. Starting a BC quiz. Think fast and write your answer. You have got 10 seconds to drop your answer in the comments. Round 1. Name a word that contains with water. Waterproof, waterfall, watermelon. Write fast or pause video. Round 2. Name a car part that starts with B. Brake, battery, bumper. Don't forget to subscribe for more quiz videos. Round 3. Name a country that starts with J. Jamaica, Jordan, Japan. Do you know any others? Write comment. Round 4. Name a food that starts with H. Hummus, honey, hot dog. Which is your favorite? Round 5. Name a sport that starts with C. Cricket, cycling, chess. Round 6. Name a brand that starts with F. Ferrari, Facebook, Ford. Don't forget click like. Round 7. Name a color that starts with R. Royal blue, rose, red. Round 8. Name something you wear that starts with B. Belt, blazer, boots. Do you know any others? Write comment. Round 9. Write fast or pause video. Name a movie that starts with G. Gladiators, Godzilla, Great Wall. Round 10. Name an emotion that starts with L. Lonely, loved, lucky. Are you writing? Round 11. Name a cartoon that starts with T. Toy Story, Tom and Jerry, Tarzan. Which one do you like more? Round 12. Name a job that starts with H. Hairstylist, hunter, historian. Write your job. Round 13. Name something in a school that starts with W. Whiteboard, water bottle, workbook. Round 14. Name a gadget that starts with B. Bluetooth speaker, blender, battery. Challenge your friend. How many can they write? Round 15. Name a body part that starts with F. Face, finger, foot. Round 16. Name a vehicle that starts with H. Hot air balloon, helicopter, hovercraft. Write plus to comment for more quiz videos. Round 17. Name a city that starts with N. New York, Nairobi, Naples. Round 18. Name an insect that starts with me. Place for your right. Round 19. Name a bird that starts with C. Canary, cardinal, crane. Which of them can fastest fly? Round 20. Name a drink that starts with E. Energy drink, espresso, eggnog. Round 21. Name something in the nature that starts with B. Beach, bay, bush. Do you know something else? Round 22. Name something in a kitchen that starts with M. Microwave, mixer, mug. Did you learn something new today? Comment which letter we should do next. Were you saw last video?